Well, 3 days after Prime Minister Narendra Modi brought Sheesh Mahal, Delhi Chief Minister's official residence renovated at exaggerated cost, back into headlines, Bharatiya Janata Party has latched on to the issue to show the mirror to Aam Aadmi Party over the corruption haunting the party. Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party candidate Parvesh Verma, who's already taking on Arvind Kejriwal from the New Delhi constituency in the upcoming polls, has written a letter to Delhi Chief Minister on this issue. He has requested her to throw open the former official's residence as far as the Aam Aadmi Party chief is concerned for public. Now, in this letter, he has also mentioned that the residence has now become an important symbol of Delhi's governance and administration history. And voters of Kejriwal's constituency wish to understand what the place looks like where the elected representative, in fact, spent his last tenure. Have a look.
मैंने दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री आतिशी जी को मैंने पत्र लिखा है और मैंने उसमें कहा है कि यहाँ की नई दिल्ली विधानसभा की जनता, जहाँ पर उनके टैक्स का पैसा लगा, जहाँ पर उनके विकास का पैसा लगा, तो वो शीश महल को देखना चाहते हैं कि वो शीश महल कैसा बना। क्योंकि जब दिल्ली में पूरी तरीके से लॉकडाउन था, जब आदमी बाहर नहीं निकल पाता था, ये सारा शीश महल उसी दौरान ही बन रहा था। ये बहुत ही शर्म की बात है। तो यहाँ के लोगों ने मुझे कहा, जी कैसा है, आज तक तो दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री ने 11 साल में हमको अपने घर नहीं बुलाया, तो हम एक बार देखना चाहते हैं वो शीश महल कैसा बना है।
Well, Sheesh Mahal, facing allegations of misuse of taxpayers' money for fancy renovation, has been a sore point in Delhi politics. But Aam Aadmi Party has maintained that all the charges leveled against them, including this one, are false. Even Arvind Kejriwal, who has been the former Chief Minister of Delhi himself, has said that he sees all the allegations as bit to frame him and his colleagues in the Aam Aadmi Party. Have a look at what he said.
हमारी पार्टी के सबसे शीर्ष के नेताओं को इन लोगों ने जेल भेज दिया। हमारे ऊपर इतने अत्याचार किए, इतना हम लोगों को तंग परेशान किया, हमारी पार्टी पे अत्याचार किए। हम सब लोग अभी अगस्त सितंबर में जेल से छूट के आए हैं, लेकिन हमने अपने ऊपर हुए अत्याचार को मुद्दा नहीं बनाया। अपने ऊपर हुए अत्याचार को अगर हम दिल पे ले लेते तो ये दिल्ली मेट्रो की आज लाइन नहीं बनती, आज ये उद्घाटन नहीं होता।
Well, crossing over to my colleague Sabyasachi, who joins us live on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, now there's demand coming from the Bharatiya Janata Party that Sheesh Mahal should be thrown open to public. What has the reaction that has come from the Aam Aadmi Party on this?
The Aam Aadmi Party has been denying all the charges and allegations made against them by the BJP. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party, in fact, has been calling this another tactic by the BJP to divert the attention of the people of the country. Now, BJP candidate from New Delhi constituency, Parvesh Verma, had requested Atishi, Delhi Chief Minister, to throw open the former official residence of Aam Aadmi Party chief for the public viewing. Now, in this letter, Parvesh Verma has mentioned that the residence has now become an important symbol of Delhi's governance and administration history, and voters of Arvind Kejriwal constituency wish to understand what the place looks like where their elected representative have spent his tenure. Now, it is very much interesting because just few days back, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in fact, have attacked Arvind Kejriwal over the Sheesh Mahal. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi stated that if he wanted, he could have bought, if he wanted, he could have built a Sheesh Mahal as well, but rather he focused on prioritizing the people of the national capital rather than building a home for himself. So clear-cut attack coming in from the BJP on Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party regarding the Sheesh Mahal, how the party has lavishly spent on the Sheesh Mahal. So clearly the Sheesh Mahal attack will intensify from the BJP side against the AAP party.
Well, absolutely. Prime Minister had also attacked the Aam Aadmi Party over Sheesh Mahal, and now a call coming from the Bharatiya Janata Party that Sheesh Mahal should be thrown open to public.